Hi, I'm Dr. Swati from Radaxis and Cobra, and today we have with us Mr. Jigish Modi, who is the CEO of Modi Medicare. Hi, sir, it's a great honor to have you here with us. As the CEO of Modi Medicare, what are your feelings on the 65th IRIA annual conference?
Phenomenal get together of all the radiologists from many different faculties, and it is nice to see so many different people gather together, share their experiences of their day to day radiology practices, and they come together on the same platform, whether it is ultrasound, whether it is MRI, whether it is CT scan, PET CT scan, and they discuss the pros and the advantages, and what are the different debates which goes on, like a debate between the 64 slice CT and the higher end slice CTs and things like that. How is technology helping these radiologists on a day-to-day activities and making the radiology much more better and much more accurate?
What is the new product flagship in your Modi Medicare? Please brief us about it.
We are launching a range of Mirian workstations from a company called Intrasense of France. Modi Medicare is an all-India distributor for the different workstations that come under this. Mirian has got modular laptop-based workstations. These workstations help the radiologists to take the workstations along with them rather than they going to the workstations themselves. And this makes their life much more simpler because they can do the post-processing anywhere and from any time, and they can still do their reporting on a day-to-day basis. Plus, these workstations are very high quality processing units because this workstations gives them the flexibility of having an original workstation, but they can still do an active, they can do the DTI, they can do the bold perfusion, etc. in the brain MRI. We have a full-fledged cardiac MRI unit. We have a complete one-click liver volumetry and liver transplant planning and liver surgery planning unit. So depending on what their kind of work area is, they can choose different platforms and they can benefit from that.
What is your message to the radiologist fraternity?
They are the leaders and they are the ones who do the first thing. So the more accurate they get, the more better it is.
Please give some inputs or message to Radaxis and Cobra.
Well, Cobra is a very nice thought, basically out of the box thinking. So basically this will drive radiology one step further in even helping the surgeons understand their patients better by determining which surgery plan they should take, what is the brain navigation sort of things. Similarly in liver transplant planning, similarly for cardiac, all different groups. So Cobra is one of the best thoughts that could ever have happened.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you.